I am super excited to go through the morning session of Life Mastery. Inside this very warehouse, we're going to go through a process of discovery. Discovering your ultimate visions in life. What motivates you? What inspires you to take massive action every single day? Your purposes, your reasons. What ultimately you're doing this for, your family, your loved ones, you, what you want to experience out of life, where do you want to travel, what do you want to do, what do you want to create, what do you want to become? That's what Life Mastery is all about. And in the morning session, we're going to go through a powerful set of exercises, a very effective, powerful set of exercises that will ultimately, at the end of it, you will be inspired to get up out of bed every single day to take massive action. And then in the afternoon session, we pass on over to Carl.
Thank you, Kevin. Now, after Kevin has finished his morning session, after lunch, I'm going to take you through the afternoon session. And in the afternoon session, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of the COD productivity system, that's collect, organize and do, and bring in your goals, the things that you really want to achieve in your life, into your daily activities, your daily tasks, so that every single day you're moving a step closer to achieving the things that you want to achieve. Now, the beauty of this system is it's simple, it's fast, and it works. And that is what I want to be able to show you in this workshop. We're going to take you through, so Kevin does his part and he's going to give you the skills and the know-how to be able to create and develop your goals. And I, in the afternoon, I'm going to share with you how to build that into your daily activities using simple applications like Todoist or Asana or Trello or OmniFocus if you wish, whatever application you use. It is actually app agnostic, but we're going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to get the most out of these applications. But then at the end of the day, we're going to have a wonderful session of Q&A where we can talk amongst ourselves and we can actually develop ideas, and I can answer questions live, if you like, on stage with Kevin, and we can really help you to start achieving the things that you really want to achieve in your life. I really hope you can join us for the day. It's going to be an amazing day, and I personally cannot wait to see you there. So join us in Scunthorpe on the 20th of April, 9 AM sharp, for an amazing day of discovery and goal setting and planning out the rest of the year, your life, whatever. Okay, I hope to see you there.